Not again.
Not again.
Not again, man.
Come on, not again.
Not again! Not now!
Our egg donor backed out.
Not again.
Roxanne? Oh, no, not again!
I can do it! I can do it! Not again!
Not again, Milo. Can't you ever sleep for more than 5 minutes?
Oh, bummer.
Not again! God, not again!
I can't lose you again!
I can't. Not again.
And I won't stand beside you. Not again, Peter. Not in a million years.
Oh no. I killed it. Oh, not again.
What do you mean, not again?
No. No, not again.
No! Come on, not again. Hello? Ethel, thank God.
What? Not again.
You don't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Oh no, not again!